Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Ryan Dadivas and welcome to Science, Technology and Society. Today we're going to discuss the origin of science, technology and society. And we are also going to combine science, technology and how it developed the society. First, what is science? You have learned science when you are in grade school. You have learned science when you are in junior high school and senior high school. So what do we mean by science? Hmm? Okay, so when you say science, it is what we call the systematic body of knowledge. An idea, an intellectual activity, and as a personal and social activity. Like what our school's motto, Sentia it fides, knowledge and faith. So that is science, which is, we mean the knowledge. So science, according to the ancient Greek philosophers, science is called philosophy of the natural world, with the ultimate desire to know about nature. It is also it is also old as the world itself because it believed that the creation of the world is also science. It is started in the beginning of the creation of the world with our greatest scientist, of course, God Himself. What is technology? Anyone? Any volunteer from the class? What do we mean by technology? When you heard the word technology, what comes into your mind? So it comes from the Greek word techni, meaning the art or craft. And of course, logia, meaning subject or interest. Technology means art or craft of a subject or interest. This term became popular in the 21st or the 20th century rather, during the second industrial revolution. So even others claim that technology started before man discovered fire. They said technology is already part of science during the creation of the world. According to a scientist, who is a German social scientist, who changed the concept of technique to technology. He is responsible of the word technology. And according to the American sociologist who expounded, Ridvain, technology includes all tools, machines, utensils, weapons, instruments, communication, and transportation devices, including the skills to produce and use by this art or craft. So everything that we use to help our work faster and easier, that is technology. According to another scientist, Ursula Franklin, technology is the practice that the way things were done. So it is the practice of how we do these things. Another scientist, Bernard Stiegler, technology as a pursuit of life or the means other than life, and as an organized organic matter. That is technology. And one of the most popular definition coming from the Webster's dictionary, technology is the use of science in industry, engineering, etc., to invent useful things to solve problems. So technology is linked to science by using science in engineering and other things to invent things to solve our problems. Now, what is society? We are done with science and technology. We all know that science and technology is linked with each other. What do we mean by society? Or what is society? Anyone? When you say society, this is a group of individuals involved in persistent social interaction. That means there is interaction. Then, or it is also a large social group sharing the same geographical or social territory. That means they came from one place, typically subject to the same political authority. That means they have the same leader and having the same dominant cultural expectation. Like, for example, us in CPU, we are a Centralian community. No? We are a Centralian society, no? Because we have the same dominant cultural expectation. And what is that? Cultural expectation. What is our culture? We have the central spirit. So that is what we call a society. We have our own society at Central. It is characterized by patterns of relationship between individuals who share a distinctive culture and institution. So this is society. Now, let's combine science, technology, and society. Now, what will happen? Now, what do you think will happen if we combine science, technology, and society? Anyone? Can you please explain? If we combine science, technology, and society, what will happen? What do you think will happen? Hmm? Science and technology will shape the society, no? Will develop the society. So science and technology play a crucial role in everyday life. No? It transforms society of what it has become now. So what is our society right now? It is transformed by science and technology. No? We then describe identity and classify societies according to the developments in science and technology. Like, for example, can you classify Japan, South Korea, according to the development of their science and technology? What can you say? Are they developed, underdeveloped, modern, technologically advanced societies? What is your answer? Yes, they are technologically advanced societies. No? So you can classify a specific society, based on its or according to its development in science and technology. Now, another question. Can you classify our country according to its developments in science and technology? Is the Philippines developed, underdeveloped, modern, technologically advanced society? Anyone? Can you classify our country, the Philippines, according to the developments of science and technology? Hmm? So interactions of science and technology also involve the millennials, what we call the millennials, the generation X, Y, and Z. So those are the science, technology, and society. So that is our lesson for today. Tomorrow we are going to discuss the origin of science, technology, and society.